But after a score, you know, give them some room.
They were just giving us grief, Dan. All right.
Nice. Joe posted pictures for me. Oh, nice.
Rainbow!
Joe posted pictures like that.
What did he say in the write-up? Rainbow bombs or something?
Rainbow Warrior. I called them. I made that up.
No, what did Matthew say in the write-up?
Get that. Free throw.
Bill.
Yeah.
Tough.
Well done.
Good thought, though.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Come on, geezers.
Oh.
5-0.
Nice job. Come on, old guys.
Nice.
Come on, geezers.
Come out on them.
Baseline extended.
Yeah, that's out.
Two games in a row.
I think we touched it last time. Huh? Their ball. Baseline extended.
Baseball, but the guys,
Baseline extend.
that's what they're calling it.
Did I touch it? Yeah. Nice dude.
It's sexual enhancers got it.
I'm not sure. 3.
Oh,
That's the pass, Bill.
Extra good work.
oh, for goodness.
They're dope.
All that matters.
Oh yeah, we are. Yeah. This gives me so much more strength.
No, it's going to slow your arm down.
Dang, they look
Nice! Woohoo! Come on, geezer! No.
What's the score? It's 8-4. Jeez.
Is Drew just money?
10-4. Their ball. Big turnover.
You got that on video, right?
Oh, almost.
Damn!
12-4.
That's on camera in a lot of places.
Nice.
Am I going left?
That was nice. Do they get 4 points for that move? I think so.
Worth the price of admission alone.
Don't let him shoot. Don't let him shoot.
Oh. 2 shots. It was just a high five. Oh, we're shooting. If you're airball, you lose a point.
At McDonald's, I'm moving to Spain.
It's out. He's a ball. Score is 12-6.
Grab a burger and a shot. Maybe. It's a little tasty. Probably not.
It's out. That one is out of bounds.
That's the long arm of Dan.
It would be 12-8. No D.
Double D throwing out some food.
It's like a block. Will you get a finger on that?
No, I shorted that bad.
That's what.
Come on, Bill, you're feeling it. Go for it.
Come on, Bill, can you? Oh, yeah! Nice job!
There goes the three.
Bringing it back.
You want to see the one?
It looked like the foot was on this side and then jumped forward.
No, it was a three-pointer. It was a three-pointer. We have the losers of
There's
course.
nothing called out there. If they didn't see it, it's their call.
Even if it's called out on the field,
That's
it's
called
still
for
good.
Yeah, we're good. 12-11.
What are you talking about, Troy?
Got a game.
Yeah, Troy, what you talking
Come
about?
on. Come on, hey, go.
Wait, so they up now?
No.
Let down. 13-12? Yeah. 12-11. Oh, 12-11.
Oh, yeah.
Good D.
I'm done.
Nice job.
Wheezers by
13-12.
one.
Oh, is that
Wheezing.
He's winning.
Wheezers.
Come back from the geezer like a zombie.
Oh.
Take him down.
Oh, no way!
Good try.
So good for you.
Great shoot. Forehand.
It's out.
Hey, you guys are up by one.
Game point.
13-12 geezers.
Hey, come on, Bill. Stay on him. You can do it, Bill.
13-12 geezers.
13-12 users.
It's been awesome.
It's been back and forth.
No pressure.
How this is quick
Bill's
game.
been money today.
Really?
Yeah.
Miss. Yes!
Bring it back.
Sorry, but we're with the geezer.
Look at that take.